Alhamdulillahi wahdah wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'dah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi alladhina awfaw ahdah. Trimming or shaving hair for the one who is sacrificing. Trimming or shaving of bodily hair should be avoided along with clipping the nails until one had slaughtered the animal. The person on whom the sacrifice is obligatory or the person who wants to sacrifice should not cut his nails or clean his excess hair after the beginning of the month of Dhul Hajj. An Salamata, anna Nabiya sallallahu alayhi wasallam called. Hazrat Salama, my mother, may Allah be pleased with her, has narrated that Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, إِذَا رَأَيْتُمْ هِلَالَ ذِي الْحَجِّ, when one of you sees the moon of Dhul Hajj, وَأَرَادَ أَحَدُكُمْ أَن يُضَحِّيَ, and one of you wants to sacrifice, فَلْيُمْسِكْ عَنْ شَعْرِهِ وَأَظْفَارِهِ, so one should not cut his hair or nails. Sahih Muslim. Here are a few things one should understand. Number one, don't cut your hair and nails after the beginning of the month of Dhul Hijjah. This order is for the person who has to make a sacrifice. Number two, it is mustahab not to cut hair and nails, and it's not obligatory. It is not a sin to cut hair and nails. Number three, if 40 days have passed where a person has not cut their pubic hair and nails and the month of Dhul Hijjah begin, such a person should then clean the unnecessary hair and nails should then be cut. If 40 days have not passed, then this would not be problem him. May Allah Almighty guide us to live according to the Sunnah and Sharia. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.